Learn phrasal verbs for morning routine. Waking and getting ready. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up as soon as the alarm rings. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Get up. Get up. Get up. You're getting late for school. I get up too late on weekends. Stretch out. Stretch out. Stretch out your arms and relax. I stretch out every morning after waking up. Wash up. Wash up. Wash up before breakfast. I wash up right after my workout. Freshen up. Freshen up. Freshen up before the meeting. I freshen up after my workout. Put on. Put on. Put on your jacket, it's cold. I put on my goggles when it's sunny. Button up. Button up. Button up your shirt properly. I button up my shirt before heading out. Tie up. Tie up. Tie up your shoelaces before running. I usually tie up my hair when it's hot. Brush up, on. Brush up, on. Brush up on your English every morning. I brush up on my English vocabulary every morning. Eating and preparing to leave. Heat up. Heat up. Heat up the milk before breakfast. I heat up my food in the microwave. Pour out. Pour out. Pour out some coffee for me, please. I pour out some milk for breakfast. Gulp down. Gulp down. Gulp down the milk, you are getting late. I gulp down my breakfast if I am in a hurry. Pack up. Pack up. Pack up your lunch before leaving. I pack up my bag before school. Jot down. Jot down. Jot down new words in your notebook. I always jot down ideas that come to mind. Check over. Check over. Check over your homework carefully. I check over my emails every morning. Pick out. Pick out. Pick out a formal shirt for the interview. I pick out a tie that matches my shirt. Leaving the house. Head out. Head out. Head out early to avoid traffic. I head out for school at 8 a.m. every day. Lock up. Lock up. Don't forget to lock up before you go out. I always lock up the house before I leave. Set off. Set off. Set off early to avoid traffic. I set off for work at 7 a.m. every day. Drop off. Drop off. Drop off the kids at school. I drop off the laundry at the dry cleaners. Show up. Show up. Don't forget to show up on time for the meeting. I show up at the office at 9 a.m. every day.